Ajay Kumar raise the hand. Okay, I am sure. Okay, I am unmute you. Ajay Kumar. Ajay Kumar. Tell me, Ajay Kumar.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా సార్?
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, I will explain. Once again, I will explain. You don't worry. Okay, see the board. See here, sigma square is equal to 2 into, here NC2 is nothing but n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, now already yesterday we discussed NC2 and NC1, NCN. So now yesterday we discussed now, just refer the yesterday notes only. Okay, now NC2 that is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, now plus into q to the power of n minus 2 p square plus 6 NC3 is nothing but NC3 is nothing but n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial. This we are representing a 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6. Okay, now we are reducing one by one term, 3 to 1. Okay, plus 1 plus here r is there, r into n, r minus 1 is there. So in place of r I am writing n into n minus 1 p to the power of n plus mu minus mu square. This mu is nothing but mean. Yesterday we discussed about this topic. Can mean of the binomial distribution. What is the mean of the binomial distribution? Mu is equal to r into probability of x is equal to r, that is equal to mu. Okay, now that's why I wrote there mu. Okay, can I clear the board? Okay, Ajay Kumar, I am Ajay Kumar. Okay, na? Okay, na?
సార్ ఓకే సార్.
Can I clear the board?
నో సార్, ఐ రైట్. ఒక నిమిషం సార్.
Wait. Okay. See here, sigma square. Here 2 cancel. Remaining, what is the remaining term? N into n minus 1 q to the power of n minus 2 p square. Okay, n into n minus 1 q to the power of n minus 2 p square. Okay, na? That you should write here n into n minus 1 q to the power of n minus 2 p square. Okay, next 6 cancel plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2. Okay, q to the power of n minus 3 p cube. Okay, right here n into n minus 1 n minus 2 q to the power of n minus 3 p cube plus so on n into n minus 1 p to the power of n plus mu minus mu square. Okay, see, observe in each and every place, what is there? N is there. In each and every place, n is there. Next, n minus 1 is there. And another one is the p is there. Okay, Varun Teja. Okay. Varun Teja, I am unmute you. Please wait. Yes. Varun Teja, tell me.
సార్ అది ఇందాక మీరు రబ్ చేశారు కదా, అది 6 క్యాన్సిల్ అయింది కదా సార్.
Yes,
కానీ
yes.
నిన్న 2/6 అని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయించారు కదా, ఇప్పుడు అదే డౌట్ అనిపించింది.
అది 2/6 క్యాన్సిల్ చేయించామంటే అక్కడ there is NC2, ఓకేనా, NC2 NC3 there is different, ఓకేనా.
ఓకే
Okay, yesterday we 2 into something I think cancel కదా, 3 into n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 6, 3 1 ja 3 3 2 ja 6, that I was cancelled, ఓకేనా. So here the series starts from 2, ఓకేనా. ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, మనకి 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. అక్కడ r is equal to 1 is equal to 0. In the yesterday class the series starts from 0. Today class the series starts from r is equal to 1. R is equal to, if you are writing 1 minus 1 0, ఓకేనా. Again we go to the 2, go to the 2, ఓకేనా.
ఓకే సార్.
And one more, yesterday n into n minus 1 is not there, only n is there, okay na. Yesterday only n is there, okay na. In this today class n into n minus 1 is there. In the yesterday class we take common n p only we take common, but in the today's class n into n minus 1 into p into p, this n into n minus 1 into p, these all things we took common. q to the power of n minus 2, p square is there, p cube is there, okay. You can take the common n into n minus 1, p square also you should take the common, n into n minus 1, p square is common, q to the power of n minus 2 plus n minus 2, q to the power of n minus 3 into p plus so on, plus n into n minus 1. Here p to the power of n is there, already p square is we have taken common, okay na. So what happens there, p to the power of n minus 2 is there, okay na. So minus 2 plus 2 cancel, we get that p to the power of n. See, observe here, p to the power of n, this is I am writing as p square into p to the power of n minus 2. Here 2 cancel, we get the p power n. When bases are equal, మనకు తెలుసు కదా చిన్నప్పుడు 10th class standard, it is there 2 plus n minus 2, these 2 are cancel, we get p power n. So this p power n I am writing as this p power n I am writing as p square into p to the power of n minus 2, p square into p to the power of n minus 2. So p square I have taken common. So what about the remaining term, p to the power of n minus 2 is there, okay na. P square I have taken the common, the remaining term is p to the power of n minus 2, okay na. p square కామన్ తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి పక్కన ఏముంది, p to the power of n minus 2 ఉంది, ఓకేనా. ప్లస్ మ్యూ మైనస్ మ్యూ స్క్వేర్, ఓకే. ప్లస్ మ్యూ మైనస్ మ్యూ స్క్వేర్. Please write down this is Ajay Kumar, I am unmuting you. Complete అయిందమ్మా?
Yes, sir.
Varun, I am unmuting you. Complete అయిందా? Varun.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, can I clear the board? In this place, in rough column I have wrote p power n is there. That also you can write. Okay, now in the side rough you can write p power n is equal to p square into t p to the power of n minus 2. That also you can write that. Okay, now. Here n into n into n into n minus 1 n into n minus 1 p square. Okay, now see here what is there, q to the power of n minus 2, q to the power of n minus 2 is there. Okay, now q to the power of n minus 2, q to the power of q to the power of n minus 2, q to the power of n minus 2 here plus q to the power of n minus 2 plus n minus 2 here n into n into n into n minus 1. Okay, now that I am writing as a q to the power of n minus 2 n minus 2 n minus 2 n minus 2. Varun, please don't write, showing all q to the power of n minus 3 p plus so on n minus 2 c n minus 2 p to the power of n minus 2 plus mu minus mu square. So this is entire term, the binomial expansion n into n minus 1 p square q plus p whole to the power of n minus 2 plus mu minus mu square. What about the q plus p? That value is equal to 1 n into n minus 1 p square 1 q plus p is equal to 1 whole to the power of n minus 2, that is value is equal to 1 plus mu minus mu square n into n square minus n into p square plus what is mu? Mu is equal to np, already we proved yesterday. Mu square is equal to minus n square p square minus n square p square. Next we multiply this p square into n square. Okay. You please write this. Okay. Prashant Rasava, I'm unmute you, Prashant. రాసుకున్నావా ప్రశాంత్?
హలో సార్, నేను బయట ఉన్నా సార్, నేను స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
సరే సార్. Now I am clear the board. Okay now. Here n square p square is there. So n square p square, okay, minus np square plus np minus n square p square. These two are cancelled. Okay. Here np is there. Okay now np minus np square. Take np is common. 1 minus p, that is equal to np into q. What is 1 minus p? Already we learned yesterday class. Q plus p is equal to 1. We require q is equal to 1 minus p. So 1 minus p is equal to what? Q. So that is equal to q. 1 minus p is equal to q. So sigma square is equal to npq. Sigma square is equal to npq. That is the variance of the binomial distribution. That is the variance of the binomial distribution. Sigma square is equal to npq. Next line. Last time we can write variance of binomial distribution. Variance of binomial distribution, that is sigma square is equal to npq. Standard deviation of binomial distribution sigma is equal to root npq. This is variance of binomial distribution. This is standard deviation of binomial distribution. Okay now? Please write this. Okay. Next onwards we can continue the tomorrow class. Okay now? Okay. Tomorrow I will continue this topic, binomial distribution. First, yesterday what you learn? Mean of the binomial distribution, that is equal to np. Variance of a binomial distribution is np cube, and standard deviation of a binomial distribution root of np cube. Write these three formulas. Okay, now with the next onwards we can do the problems on the binomial distribution. Binomial distribution మీద మనం కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ యొక్క ఫార్ములాస్ అనేది ఉపయోగపడతాయి. మీన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్పి, మీన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్పి, వేరియన్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్పి క్యూబ్, స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రూట్ ఎన్పి క్యూ, రూట్ ఎన్పి క్యూ. ఓకే.